Alright, so you've assembled all your pieces. So on your body, H2 is the back, H1 is the front. So you're going to take your leg and you're going to fit it so that these guys fit right into those grooves. And then L fits in. Alright, so you put in the legs first, and then once you get them in, you can kind of maneuver using a pencil, or if your fingers can fit in there, and you can move these tabs down, and so that way it gets stuck. And if you can, really, if you can, put a piece of tape in there, although it's really hard to get that in there that far down, but if you can, and that way everything really stays together. So you'll put both legs in first, and then this is how I assemble it. I assemble it legs first, and then I go in and do the arms next. So hold on, I'm trying to get this piece of tape. It's not working for me. There. Alright, and so then next I take my arms and I put them in, and just pay attention to where this is, because focus. So just pay attention to where this is, because that's the front, so you want to have that on the H1 side, and you slide that through those little grabbies. So after you have both legs in, and you slide that in, and then you can bend the tabs down so your arm doesn't come undone. I'll use tape here because it's easier to get into. And then you stick your second arm on. Alright, and then the head. Right, and so then the head goes in, like let's say my eyes were here, and I just kind of shove this guy underneath into there and there. And then you would have your person assembled, and that's how you put it together.